Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2008 Honda CRV. So it's my neighbor's car, and it has a issue of this. I already scanned it. For today we're gonna deal with this P2646 P2647. It's rocker arm, all pressure switch, circuit low and high voltage. For that 1659, we're gonna do it on the other video. So this is a common problem of Hondas, and the culprit for that is your solenoid. So most of the time you can clean it. Actually I have a couple of that, this one. So most of the time there, so this one, see this filter in here, but again I recommend the customer to just replace the whole thing. You can buy it cheap on Amazon. So again, I had a always positive result using Amazon product, but it depends what what brand you are buying, and I always buy the premium brand. So this is the brand new solenoid. So we call this VTEC Solenoid. Look at, I think this is only, let me check the receipt. I think this only cost me 70 bucks Canadian dollar, so it's not that much though. Oh yeah, it's $73 right here. So it's a solenoid spool bulb VTEC with timing oil pressure switch in gasket. So it's all in. So VTEC solenoid. So it has only like 3 holes. Number 10 actually was located in here at the back. Right here. It's gonna be tough for me to film, but right there. Oh yeah, right there, that's the connection. I won't be able to show you how to remove it, but again, it's 3 bolts using a 10mm socket. So let's just remove it. Right, so we're using number 10 socket, using my cordless. Alright, so I already removed 3 bolts right here. It's a little bit tight, so I did use ratchet first and then my cordless. So now just gonna remove it, and there you go, right here, this one. Look at that, how dirty it is. So we're just gonna unbolt it. I'm gonna press this one. Hold on, I need 2 hands. Oh, sorry, I couldn't show it to you, but that's the the solenoid, the VTEC solenoid. Just press this one and that's it. Hold on. So this is your solenoid, and look at the O-ring is already flat and it's clogged. So we're just gonna replace the whole thing, and that's pretty much it. Alright, let's put the brand new VTEC Solenoid. Alright, so this is the brand new solenoid. Let's move it. Brand new one. Look at new O-ring. Let's compare it. Yeah, it looks the same. We'll look at the difference. This one's super dirty. This one's super clean. Alright, let's put it back. Alright guys, so I already put it on. So what I did is just by touching it, honestly you couldn't see it. Just try to fill the hole, and it takes a while before you can put it on, but you can do it. Right, we'll just tighten it, and let's start the car and clear the code, and let's see how it goes. Start ko muna tong car. Wala tong gagana na. Start the car. Alright. Okay. Clear codes. Alright guys, so I just cleared the code, so no more code right now. It's all normal. Now we're just gonna test drive it. Let's go in here, let's go in the data stream. Let's see what we have in here. So we need to check the VTEC Solenoid. So this one, solenoid, let's see if it's working. Okay, right now VTEC Fresh SW is on right away, and then both the VTEC status is off, VTEC Solenoid is off, and the duty cycle is 0%, and there's no more check engine light on. Let's just test drive the car and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so let's test drive the car. We just wanna see how's our, we can put it there. VTEC Solenoid. Is there any changes? Oh yeah. I don't know if you could see it, but a while ago I see 3 of them is on with the duty cycle. Yeah, yep, it's working. Sorry, it's gonna be tough to show it to you, but I'm just gonna, let's see that. Sorry for the glare. And I'm only running less than 20 km per hour. Let me go faster, and you can see everything will give a numbers, percentage, meaning it's the VTEC Solenoid that we just installed is working properly. I guess this is already fixed. The other one, the 1659, that's for the throttle malfunction something. We're gonna make another video for that. But so far, so good. Alright guys, I guess that's it. So if you had any question about this car repair video, please comment down below, and also consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. It's just a bonus video. Been driving for almost 10 minutes so far. The check engine light didn't came back, so almost like 100% it's fixed.